Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to reset your AirTag. Let's have a look. Press down on the polished stainless steel battery cover of your AirTag and rotate counterclockwise until the cover stops rotating. Remove the battery cover and battery. Then replace the battery. Press down on the battery until you hear a sound. When the sound finished, replace the process 4 more times, just removing and replacing the battery. Then pressing down on the battery until you hear a sound. You should hear a sound each time you press on the battery, for a total of 5 sounds. The fifth sound is different from the previous 4. The fifth sound indicates your AirTag resetted. Replace the cover by aligning the 3 tabs on the cover with the 3 slots on your AirTag. Just press down on the cover, rotate the cover clockwise until it stops rotating. That's it, your AirTag resetted and ready for wear. So these are the steps to factory reset AirTag. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.